a solo trip to Shillong, and the weather, I tell you, you can see it's raining and raining and raining with the beautiful clouds, and we are in the traffic of the toll bridge, and we are about to reach the facilitation center wherein our trip would be checked. Like today we have Meghalaya Tourism has got an app wherein we have to upload all our itinerary, and they used to give us a QR code, and we have to get our QR code checked here, against which they will be giving us a slip. So let's do that. And we are in the COVID screening center wherein we'll get our trip checked. Here we go. We are done with our allowed slip, and so now we head towards Shillong. Because I'm traveling solo, I'm just thinking whether to stop for a cup of tea or should I continue. Like our next stop could be Njoy, maybe for a cup of tea in this beautiful weather. But then again, looking at the time, it is better that I should head towards Shillong, because I'm expecting a lot of traffic, being today a working day. So it's better, I think I should head to Shillong rather than stopping in Njoy for a break. Maybe, let's see. You know, if you do not come to Meghalaya during the monsoon, then you will not be able to enjoy Meghalaya. Meghalaya is best enjoyed during the monsoons, because the name suggests abode of cloud. Megha means cloud, and Laya means like the place. So the name itself is known as Meghalaya, I mean abode of cloud. So if you do not come here, as I said, during the monsoon, so it's no point coming to Meghalaya, because you can enjoy Meghalaya only during the rains. And we reached Njoy. Guys, at last I could not resist my crave for the cup of tea. I had to stop and enjoy the cup of tea in this beautiful rainy weather. There we go. Got it locked. And I'm done with my tea. The thing is that there are so many tourists going on the way. I found so many tourists on the way to Shillong. I don't know whether I'll get my accommodation over there. Chalo, kuch nahi hai. If I don't get, I'll sleep in the car. Not a big deal. And let's hit the road. Which is also known as Umyam Lane. Borapani is an old name basically. The 4-lane ends in Umyam, and from here it's a single lane. I mean, there are no dividers, and one have to drive a bit carefully, looking at the traffic. And look at the lake. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. usual, the traffic starts. I have reached Tourist Bazaar and I'll park my car somewhere here and head to my work. And friends, my drive ends here, so see you next time in yet another video. Till then, let me check out if I can get a parking spot and get my vehicle parked. Chalo, thank you so much, bye bye.